Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to manage project roles and permissions in Asana, your complete 2025 guide. First up, log into your Asana account. On the sidebar, select the project you want to manage roles and permissions for. Now click on the Share button in the toolbar at the top. This is where you can add or remove project members and adjust their permissions. Assigning the right roles and permissions is crucial as it helps manage who can view, comment, or edit the project details, ensuring a smooth workflow. The reason we do this is to maintain control over who has access to what information, preserving the integrity of your project. So next, click on Manage Access in the drop-down that appears. Here, you can add new members by typing their email or name into the Add People field. Now that we've done that, let's talk about roles. Asana has 3 roles: Project Member, Project Comment Only, and Project Read Only. Assigning the correct role is essential as it allows you to control the degree of involvement each team member has in the project. To assign a role, click on the Role drop-down next to the name of the person you've added, and select the role that best fits their involvement in the project. This helps us because it manages expectations and clarifies responsibilities within the team. But what if you need to change or remove someone's access? Easy. Just hover over their name and you'll see 2 icons pop up on the right. Clicking on the pencil icon lets you change their role, and the X removes them from the project. Let me explain why this matters. Having the power to change or remove access ensures that only the right people have access to your project at all times, keeping your project secure and efficient. And there you have it. Managing project roles and permissions in Asana is as simple as that. Remember, it's all about ensuring the right people have the appropriate level of access to keep your project running smoothly. Until next time, keep those projects flowing.